Jai Srimanarayana. 11th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ye yadha mam prapadyante tan tadhaiva भजाम्यहं मम वर्त्मा अनुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः। ओम। Start worshipping Srimanarayana in any form that you like most. Definitely you will get Srimanarayana's favor. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall start worshipping you in any form of my own choice. I have full faith that I will get favor from you. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा, सरस्वतीदेवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमो 9th स्कंधम. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Urvasi told Pururava about the nature of the woman, and then she says, every year, one night I will be with you. Like that I will keep giving you children. Like that she left and Pururava also left. Pururava came to know that at that time Urvasi was pregnant, and Urvasi came back in the end of the year with one son. Then again Pururava spent one night with Urvasi. Then Urvasi says, O Pururava, Gandharvan Upadhava iman tubhyam dasyanti. You go ahead and pray Gandharvas, they will again give me back to you. Then according to her suggestion, Pururava prayed Gandharvas, whereas Gandharvas gave Agnisthali, who is almost similar to Urvasi. Whereas Pururava thought that Agnisthali is Urvasi, and he started going around with her in that forest, and finally he came to know that she is not Urvasi but she is Agnisthali. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 4th chapter 11th sloka. Ye yadha mam prapadyante tams tadhaiva bhajamyaham. Mama vartmanu vartante manushyaah partha sarvasah. Ye yadha mam prapadyante tams tadhaiva bhajamyaham. Mama vartmanu vartante manushyaah partha sarvasah. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.